Hello, welcome to today's class. Today's class again will be just an introduction to artificial intelligence, where we will see some definition of what actually is artificial intelligence. We will actually look at 8 different definitions from our book, and those 8 definitions are divided into 4 different categories, where um, if we look at the 4 quadrants, in the first row, the definition talks about the thinking process involved, and the definitions, horizontal definition in the second row, talks about action and behavior. So based on whether the definition is talking about the thinking process or whether it is talking about the actions performed, the definitions has been categorized. And similarly, whether the definitions compare AI to humans, or does it talks about rational behavior or not, again the definitions are categorized vertically. So we have actually 4 different quadrants. So in the first quadrant, the definitions, we are defining AI based on whether they think humanly or not, and in the second quadrant we place the definitions of artificial intelligence, which talks about thinking rationally, and similarly in the third quadrant we put those definitions which talks about acting humanly, and in the fourth quadrant we put the definitions which talks about acting and acting rationally, and those 8 definitions are here. So as we can see, in the first quadrant we have said that artificial intelligence is about making computers think. So this definition talks about thinking, and it says thinking in the real sense, in full and literal sense, in comparison to human. So this definition defines AI as an effort to make computers think in the full and literal sense. And similarly, the second definition in this quadrant says that artificial intelligence is the automation of activities that we associate with human thinking. So again, this definition is talking about thinking and thinking like human, and it says that artificial intelligence is the automation of activities that we associate with human thinking. Which activities? Activities like decision making, problem solving, and learning. So these are some of the activities that humans perform, and performing these activities like decision making or problem solving involves thinking. And this definition says that AI is about building machines which also can perform this kind of thinkings. Next we talk about acting and about acting humanly. So here the first definition says that AI is the art of creating machines that perform functions. So when we are saying perform functions, it's about actions. It should be able to perform functions that require intelligence when performed by people. So this definition again is comparing with humans, and it is talking about actions that are performed. So AI is the art of creating machines that perform functions that require intelligence when performed by people. And the second definition here, it says that AI is the study of how to make computers do things. So it is again about actions at which at moment people are better. So again we are comparing with humans. So artificial intelligence is the study of how to make computers do things at the moment people are better at. In this quadrant we have the definitions which still talks about thinking, but it doesn't compare with human. It talks about rational behavior. Rational means which is logical and which is sensible. So it need not be exactly, it may not think exactly like a human, but its behavior should be rational. And the first definition here is study of mental faculties through the use of computational models. So we have to create some computational models, and through that we will study the thinking process. So study of mental faculties through the use of computational models. And what exactly we mean here is about logical thinking. Logical thinking that may be based on predicate calculus. Here thinking is not exactly as humans may do, but the conclusions or the inferences that we make has to be rational. So it's possible to build computational models to do rational thinking, and AI is being mentioned as the study of such kind of computational models. When we talk about first order predicate calculus and propositional calculus, we will talk about such kind of computational model in our course. It also, another definition is the study of computations that make it possible to perceive, reason and act. So we want to make computers to be able to perceive and do some reasoning and then acting. And again, we are not comparing with humans, but still we are talking about reasoning, which is the thinking which we can relate with thinking. So again, reasoning we can perform logical reasoning. So AI here is being defined as the study of computations that make it possible to perceive, reason and act. In the last quadrant we have definitions which talk about acting and acting rationally. So if we can build machines which act rationally, then those machines are artificially intelligent machines. So here the first definition is computational intelligence is the study of design of intelligent agents. So agents are those that perform actions, and that's why this definition is under the category of action. And here we are not comparing with humans, but it has to be intelligent, and that way it has to be rational. So computational intelligence is the study of design of intelligent agents. And lastly, AI is concerned with intelligent behavior in artifact. So we want some behavior, that's why it's related to actions, and it has to be intelligent, so it has to be rational. And we are not comparing with humans, that it has to be exactly like, the behavior has to be exactly like a human, but the behavior has to be rational. So here artificial intelligence is defined as is concerned with intelligent behavior in artifact. So these are the 8 definitions that I have taken from the book, and that's all for today's class. It's a short class, I know, for you, but it has taken a long time for me to prepare this lecture. So I wonder how to move ahead in this course, because if we go at this pace it will be slow. So we have to see what alternate plans we can make to proceed a little faster. But that's it for today's class. We looked at 8 different definitions, where we have divided those definitions into 4 different quadrants. So some of the definitions define AI as being able to think like humans, There are other definitions which says that AI is about acting like humans, and there are definitions which say AI is about thinking rationally, and there are other definitions which says AI is about acting rationally. So with that, I would like to stop today's class. So as soon as I prepare my next lecture, I will post it to you. Okay, thank you, bye.